Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by joining Amazon Associates and confirming approval. This matters because you need tracking before you promote. Once done, choose a tight niche to focus views and conversions, then research 10 products that match intent. Next, write a concise outline, hook, benefits, call to action, so filming is efficient. Make sure to prepare product links and a basic shot list. This gets you recording fast and avoids wasted reshoots. You now film demonstrations and B-roll, keeping shots short and informative so viewers stay engaged. Once recorded, edit for pace. Cut dead time, add on-screen specs, and include your affiliate links in the top description lines. Make sure to optimize the title and description with 2 target keywords and timestamps for product segments. This improves search visibility. Also create a bold thumbnail and place a clear affiliate disclosure in the first 10 seconds to stay compliant and build trust. You publish with optimized tags, playlists, and a 16:9 thumbnail that emphasizes value, then pin your affiliate link at the top of the description and in a pinned comment. Once live, promote on social channels and one targeted community to drive initial traffic. Monitor CTR and conversion rates daily for the first week and iterate titles or thumbnails based on performance. If you get clicks but no sales, troubleshoot link format and tracking first. Ensure no extra redirects or broken UTM parameters are blocking referrals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.